Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review this LED motion sensor ceiling light. I have received it to review and I would like to go through all the steps of unboxing with you. So now we have got this LED light which supports daylight sensor, so it seems like it goes off itself. So it has a motion sensor as you can see here, and the brightness should be high. It supports the warm white and cold white, as you know. So the warm white usually is used in the night and the cold white is used in the morning. Looking at the boxing, we have got pretty much no information here. Let's open up the box together and see what we have got. So I would just first remove this one from here. There we go. Good. So let's open it up. So pretty normal boxing, I would say. These lights are really handy. Nowadays you can find them a lot everywhere. So this one box, whatever it is, this is the light, and we have got the user manual here. One page, motion sensor LED light. So one language is in English only, which is pity. I mean, usually you should have different languages as well. So they have day, night, steady light mode, on and off. There's a controller as well, quite nice. And power on off, day, night, steady, shutdown and scheduled 30 minutes. Pretty simple. Let's open it up. So this is the protection layer, I believe. Yeah, for the motion sensor. And wow, really strong light. It has two magnets as well, and it can be, you can hang it as well somewhere, just like a clock. You know, clocks usually have this. Really nice design, I would say. So here's the sensor, I believe. So this should be the daylight sensor and this is the motion sensor. And like different modes is a USB-C. So you can see it's a little bit hurt in here. I'm not sure what are these two, but you can turn it on. Oops. Alright, so this one switches between different modes. This one I'm not sure what it is. We can, anyway, let's check it out. So if I turn it on like this, and probably if I don't move, it should go off. Let's try. I'm not sure how many seconds. I'm looking at the user manual at the same time to see how many seconds it go off. So 30 seconds, increase from the initial 30 seconds to 60, 180 after indication. Alright, seems like the default one is 30 seconds. It go to 60, 180 and so on. Let's turn on the controller and see what we have in there. So this is another box. Well, these are the fixtures. The USB-C, USB-A to USB-C connections. This is the magnet. Well, this one you can connect it to somewhere and you can put the light. And this is the controller. So what we have as the battery. So let's check it out. So it's just two AAA batteries in here. I would put in the battery and we can try it as well later on. Let me just do that. Alright, now let's put in two batteries inside it. So the double sides. So there we go. That's the battery. Let's close the cover as well. It's really cheap quality controller, I would say. Really, I mean, very hard to fit it in and very hard to close it as well somehow. Very hard to open it too. I'm not sure why. Maybe I put this wrongly. Doesn't look like. So when I put the battery, basically I cannot even close this one. Anyway, fine. Off, on, off. You can decrease the brightness. This can go. Actually, you can see the LED light here, which is changing the status from this one to this. You can increase it. Goes to the night mode. 60 seconds, 120 seconds, 180 seconds. So basically, it just checks once, and we can change the warm to cold and so on. Really nice. Actually, I really like it. Very nice light. I would think about it just something like a basement. I mean, it's a perfect light for a basement, I would say, where you don't have any power. So it's very easy to basically stick this to the wall. It also supports a glue, so you don't need to necessarily drill the wall, so you can even put the glue. So the cover here, if you remove the cover, you can already put the metal on the wall, and then you have the magnets in here, so it could basically connect like this. Really strong magnet, I would say. Very strong. So really nice product. So we can also try to charge it once to see, okay, how does it charge? Well, I need to find my USB-C charger. There we go. So I would connect this, and you can see a small indication that is red. So probably when it becomes green, it means it's charged. Nice design, very cool, I would say, and hope you liked it. Now it's on actually, the light, so it went off after I think 60 seconds, which I said. So if I can turn it on, then it's permanently on. I can go on the white mode and you can turn it off, and basically this one could switch it off. Pretty good. Let's just figure out what is the other button we have in here. So we have M and Oct. So M is the mode, so day, night, or steady, and the other one, which is Oct, is written as a light. Click switch among 3 color temperatures. Okay, so it's a color temperature. So interesting. Well, that's pretty much it. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, let me know down below in the comment section. If you like this video, please make sure you like it, and don't forget to subscribe. I always have a lot of new products which I review on a daily basis, so make sure you stay tuned. See you in the next video, and until then, take care, thank you, and bye bye.